How to insert a line in Word. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Microsoft Word. It will open up this page as the home page. In order to insert a line, you can create your own by yourself. What you want to do is press on the dash symbol for the 3 times and then click on enter. Once you click on enter, the line will be automatically created successfully. Now let's say you want the asterisk line. What you want to do is press the asterisk on your keyboard for 3 times and then click on enter. And there you go, the asterisk line has been created successfully. This is the easiest way to insert a line on your Word. Likewise, you can enter as many lines as you want to. Click on the specific symbol for the 3 times and then press on enter. Once you do that, the line will be created and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can insert line on words. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. And thank you for watching it till the end.